First reaction is like, is this is this it? Is this the end of it? Because it felt too good to be true that it was actually at that stage. So.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello.
Congratulations, both of you.
Thank you very much.
How does it feel?
Relief.
Yeah.
It's been forever.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And, I'm really happy you reached your goal, but I'd love to hear more about your journey. Tell me what it was like when you first contacted us. Where were you at? What was happening?
Well, it took like 3 or 4 years on administrative processing.
3 or 4 years in administrative processing?
Yes. And
Oh my God.
So I obtained the visiting visa, which actually took a year of that just to give me the traveling visa, even though I studied and lived here for 8 years and got my mechanical engineering from here. And so I came back here visiting, and then saw you on TikTok with talking about administration processing, how it takes forever. And you were like, no. And I think they put like a child in Pakistan on that. And you were like, no, this can't work. And I'm like, okay, we need him. We need him. And so I spoke with AJ, and we figured it out and spoke to you guys. And then we started the official process on July last year.
What was like the worst day like when you were really, when it was dragging on and you just kind of felt, what would that be like for you?
I think it was when they sent out the administrative processing and we were looking into it and saw that they had no timeframes that they were held to, no obligation to update us on anything throughout the process. It was just disheartening to, we had waited 3 years at that point, because it was July 31st, 2021 when they accepted our fiance application. And then, it, just did nothing for, all that time until Izzy saw your guys. So, but I think it was that when we saw the administrative processing and looked and saw that there was like no way out of that.
Yeah. And when you realized that the case got approved, what was your reaction at that point? Like your first reaction?
First reaction is like, is this it? Is this the end of it? Because it felt too good to be true that it was actually at that stage. So,
had you not filed the lawsuit, where do you think you'd be right now?
Probably still waiting. And that fiance one, either that or we would have planned on how the heck we could get out of the country and go elsewhere. So,
wow.
Yeah. The big part of it was we're like, okay, if it doesn't work, if America doesn't let us, then it's fine. You can come to Kuwait, or we can meet somewhere in Europe and figure a way out.
Wow. That's serious.
Yeah.
And what advice would you give for other people who are stuck in administrative processing and who are struggling in the same sort of issues as you were?
I'd say don't wait. Do exactly what we did and find an actual attorney.
And now that you're approved and everything's sorted, what's next for the two of you?
We're finally going on our honeymoon, actually, April 2nd through 16th to Spain and Portugal. Yeah, and then hopefully start saving for a house.
Wow, this is huge.
Yeah, but actually, we're a little worried because with the current administration and everything, as I've been seeing things online that even a green card holder like me could get into problems, or they could pull someone aside, let them sign on a paper and deport them. And I was like, okay, what's happening?
Okay, yeah, I've been having back-to-back meetings with people who are nervous about traveling with their permanent residency.
Yeah.
You hold a Kuwaiti passport?
I have a Kuwaiti passport and I have my green card.
Yeah, I mean, by law, you should be fine. But anecdotally, I'm hearing stories of all sorts of crazy things.
Just hoping, flying to and from Portland will be slightly in our favor versus people who are maybe flying in and out of other parts of the country.
Yeah. I mean, I'm always here for you. If I can do anything to help, call or email me anytime. My door is always open. I prefer not to have you need my help.
Yeah.
And I'd like to see you become a naturalized U.S. citizen. But traveling is a personal decision. I mean, there's no reason legally why you shouldn't be able to travel. It's just the anecdotal fear of something happening.
Yep. So not too incredibly stressed, just a little, but mainly, of course, for return. But we know we're in the right. We did everything the right way, so we should be fine.
Good. Well, congratulations again.
Thank you very much.